Maybe that's like a tablespoon. A tablespoon of oil, maybe.
You, when you're a professional chef, you just use your ice. That's why I better record this part.
Alright, put your garlic.
Choche.
You saute garlic. Saute.
Only one thing, smell good already.
Tapos na. Saute. I'm not gonna brown it because we don't wanna get a bitter taste of the garlic.
Okay.
And then we put your onions.
Sorry, Kevin.
And make your onions is translucent.
Fancy words, ah. That's clear. Okay, translucent.
We will put your pork. Put it together. Yeah, translucent siya. And then you put your pork. Then you saute the pork. You can also use ground chicken if you like. Healthy. They say.
Healthy but different taste. I'm gonna saute that.
Yes.
And we'll be back after the next episode.
Okay. This other bowl does not accept
Oil.
oil. Hindi siya yung pang...
So you remove the excess oil.
Some. Just take out a little bit of it because you don't want to have too much oil in your... Using the cook.
Welcome. That's vermicelli noodles.
Okay, again your stew. And then...
Okay. That's how you know you're pro. She didn't even have to go and strain it over the sink or anything. She just take it out.
And we just maybe 2 minutes. Just mix until... Oh yeah, I just put a teaspoon of the seasoning earlier.
Missed it.
But yeah, we put a teaspoon of the seasoning.
Before removing
The excess
oil.
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 We remove the excess oil. And then cook it for 2 minutes. And then later we cook you. No, I don't tie myself.
This is cooking with our beautiful greenery scenery. Starts boiling, you add your pork bouillon.
And then you just mix.
You shall halo, but it's not halo.
Mix.
But you mix.
Oh yeah, if you want black pepper, black pepper. you like black pepper. But then I have the mix sauce. I just put a little bit. Teaspoon. Hello. The seasoning.
Seasoning.
The seasoning. And I just mix again until your fufu is cooked and your noodles, and then you're good. I don't know how many minutes, but I'm just gonna tell you. You will lower it down the fryer, right down the stove, and then we wait till 45 minutes.
30 minutes now.
25 to 30 minutes. And then we're good. We're done. I forgot you don't eat shrimp, so I cannot. If you like to add shrimp, you can.
If it's not for me. So taste.
Give it taste. You blow first.
Taste and burn.
then
Burn myself. Blow this one first.
Oh, you're missing something.
Black pepper.
Oh, you
It's my black pepper.
black pepper.
Pepe.
The blue one. The blue one.
Blur. Adding black pepper. But that's because I like black pepper. So if you like, you add.
Yes, it's up to you. Okay, maybe that's like a teaspoon of black pepper. I don't know. I just do it eyeball. Okay.
Only when you're pros you can eyeball like that.
So you come here and see if this is enough sabaw for you. Because remember, we have noodles in it. It will. Since you guys like sabaw, you might want to add more water. It's up to you.
I'll put a little more. Because I'm sharing with my mom.
Yeah. What's that small? We're done.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! We're done.
Thank you.
Sticky man time. And for the mama, all this about.